Hello, Namaste and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. And after that I am going to see what actions your person can take towards you in next coming 10 days. So this reading is going to be for the first 10 days of August month, from 1st to 10th August. Okay. This is your current energy, Taurus people. This is your partner's current energy, and this is going to be the future or the action which they can take towards you in next 10 days. So we have 8 of Pentacles. All right. Taurus, it's your current energy with 8 of Pentacles. It seems like you are being somebody who is being light of wisdom for your partner. Okay, you want them to come towards you. You want them to cross a path to be with you. Okay, you have wisdom, you have everything in life. Okay, be it good or bad traits, you have everything. But what you want is that you want your person to come forward and meet you. You want your person to come forward and confront their emotions. Okay, you are not doing anything. You are just sitting and waiting for their action. You are just sitting and waiting how your person is going to recognize your sign. The light and the wisdom which you are giving to them, are they able to understand that? Okay, so this is your current energy, Taurus. 8 of Cups. It seems like your person has been through a lot in life. Okay, they tried to give their love and emotion to their past relationships, but nothing worked well for them. So now, after giving all their emotions and their love, they are done with that. And it seems like the light which you are sharing with them, they are able to recognize it. That's why they are moving towards light. Okay, this person is done with their old past relationships. Now they are moving towards this light, and I think the approach which you have applied here is going to work for you, and it's definitely working for you, Taurus. They are done with their past life or past relationship sorrows or the sadness or the anxieties or the depression of their past relationships. Now they are moving towards light, the light which you are showing them. All right. On the other hand, the action which your partner can take towards you in the next coming 10 days is going to be the Queen of Pentacles. You are definitely going to see some beautiful beginnings in your life with them, Taurus. Okay, being a queen, being a mother, being a nurturer, being a giver, being a what should I say, being a queen. This person is definitely going to meet you. This person is definitely going to do something with you. Okay, they are about to, or I would say in 10 days they can start talking to you. They can start or they'll start some communication with you. That's what I'm saying. Okay. All right. So Taurus people, it seems like some of you could be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.